you see a lot of combined businesses. So you've got massage, you've got tea and coffee, this little shop here, which sells more than tea and coffee, and it's also a hotel. We're gonna walk in here real quick. Xin chào. Video, is that okay? YouTube? Okay, thank you. Oh, it smells so good in here. Oh man, yeah, you're gonna find a lot of, I mean, this is local stuff, literally local. Dalat is known for just growing everything here. So just about anything you see like this is packaged here, grown here, dried here. You know, if it's a dried, dehydrated fruit. And of course it's delicious too. I'm smelling these essential oils. Bye-bye, kitty cat. Okay, so again, here's massage, and anything 500,000 is 20 bucks US. And you got 60 minute, 30 minute, 90 minutes, so 90-minute massage, 20 bucks. Thai massage, that's 22 bucks. Right. So very easy to budget, you know, a couple of those into your schedule every month and not break the bank, and you feel like you're living really a life of luxury. I mean, I don't even know that I know anybody that gets 2 massages a month in the States, because I was just a common worker in the States. Just a normie. Look at all the bikes, guys. I mean, if you see this many bikes in front of a store, you're thinking, wow, this is a motorbikes place that sells motorbikes. But you notice just very few cars at all. Like 80% at least of drivers here drive the motorbikes. And if you've been on some of these streets, you'll know why. There's definitely places you can't go, or I wouldn't advise going in a car. Another hotel with some fashion, place of linen fashion. And they're selling coffee. So there's 3 businesses right there, just kind of in one place. I wonder if this place is open or not open anymore. Xin chào. Very temperate, moderate climate here. I will tell you this, none of these places, I am sure, have or use air conditioning, and they don't need it. They just don't need it. And I'm a guy that gets hot and sweaty very easily. And that is why I am here. It's, well, one of the reasons I'm here. Xin chào. Xin chào means hello, and is, other than ordering different coffee drinks, is pretty much the only kind of word that I get right every time, I think. People know what I'm saying when I say it. I'm moving pretty slow here. It's just a leisurely day. I got a nice breeze. It's probably around 70 degrees. When I got here in April, it was the hottest of the hot season, and it was unseasonably hot. So we were getting up into the mid to upper 80s, even maybe 86 on a few days. And the highest temperature ever recorded here in Fahrenheit was 89 degrees, 89.8. And you know what? We're going to walk in here to this DuSam craft beer and cafe. I need to talk to these guys. I haven't talked to them in a while. And they were like one of my OGs. I hopped in here one of the first weeks that I was here, and their coffee is really good. And you know, the guy that I met, his brother is the roaster, and they have craft beer also, which is delicious. I tried it. We're gonna walk in here. Hello. Yes. How are you? Yeah. I never noticed your tattoos.
Oh.
Never noticed that.
Yeah.
I'm video is good. Okay.
Yes.
Very good.
You are still the same latte?
Yeah, well, maybe. Let me see. I have learned a lot about coffee. So yeah. I just had some cascara tea. It's really good. Cold brews.
Really so good. Cold brew.